ginawa niya kay daddy, obviously yung mukha niya. Kamukha niya si Jojit eh. Kamukha yung papa niya. Tapos ang isa pa is pagiging thoughtful. Para silang thoughtful ng papa niya.
Alam mo, pagka nagdarasal sa gabi, napakahaba.
Oo, yun.
Pati yung mga katulong namin nung mga nakapag-apat na palit na kami ng katulong, pinagdadasal niya pa yung unang katulong. Ganon siya.
Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared, beauty and the beast.
Ang wish ko kay Belle, sa dami-dami ng pangarap niya eh. Sobrang marami siyang gusto paglaki niya. Sana matupad niya lahat yon. Tapos, maging strong siya physically and emotionally. Matapos niya ang kanyang studies ng maayos. Ayun. At saka, ayun, lumaki siyang mabait, mabuting bata.
Ang gusto ko, bilisan niya mag-aral, tapos mag-graduate na siya ng college. Tapos magtrabaho na. Yun ang maganda. Madami siyang ibibigay daw sa amin panagot.
Oo, lagi niya sinasabi sa amin, sa ganyang edad, marunong na siya, alam mo yon, Mami, pag I'm working na, I'll buy you this. Papa, I'll give you this. You can pick, sabi niya, you can pick the cars that you want. Ganun siya.
Tell us all this time. Tell us all the song. Bittersweet and strange. Finding you can change.
Learning you were wrong.
Belle, happy 7th birthday. Wish ko, ayun, lagi kang healthy, maging masaya ka palagi. Tupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa. Love you.
Belle, di ba sabi ni Papa, magiging parang true princess ka sa birthday mo? Are you happy? Yun lang gusto ni Papa, happy ka. Ay, happy birthday nga pala, birthday mo nga pala. Happy birthday.
We're running wild, we're running free, 'cause there's no stopping. Yeah, you and
Wish ko lang is lahat ng wish and dreams mo matupad. And God bless you. We love you, Ate Belle.
brave and fearless. Nothing can hold us back right now.
Happy birthday, Belle. And in behalf of Tita Ina, it's been 7 years. You grow up so quickly today. You start another years of discoveries and challenges. I wish you the best birthday in the world. Happy birthday.
This is living. This is living. It's time to jump.
And I wish that you will enjoy your childhood. Maikli lang yan. Huwag mo madaliin, okay? Enjoy lang. Happy birthday!
This is living.
Happy birthday, Belle. Wish you all the best. And God bless.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and sana mag-aral ka pa ng mabuti. Sumunod kay Lolo at Lola, no? Tsaka kay Mama at Papa. Magsipag ka pa sa pag-aaral mo. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. We love you.
Dive in. Let's jump in. This is living. This is living. This is living. like right now. I'm ready, let's go diving. Let's jump in.